Imagine you are tracking a satellite or just trying to figure out where your phone is. The sensors keep handing you a stream of jittery, noisy readings. Underneath them somewhere sits a smooth, hidden truth. The question is, can we recover the truth in real time without ever waiting for the future? Here is the trick that runs inside almost every GPS, drone, and self-driving car. At every moment, you actually have two stories about where you are. One comes from physics. If you know your last position and your velocity, you can predict where you should be now. But that prediction has uncertainty, so it is really a Gaussian, a bell curve of possibilities. The other story comes from the sensor. It hands you a measurement, also a Gaussian, also uncertain. Two stories, both noisy, neither one right. Now, here is the magical part. When you multiply two Gaussians together, you get another Gaussian, and it is sharper than either one. Sharper than both. This new bell curve sits between the two, but it knows more than either parent. That is your updated belief about where you are. The recipe for that update has a name. It is called the Kalman Gain. It is just a number between 0 and 1, and it tells you how far to lean from your prediction toward the measurement. If your sensor is noisy, the gain is close to 0, and you stick with physics. If your sensor is precise, it climbs to 1, and you trust the reading. And then you repeat, predict, update. Every new measurement, however noisy, refines what you know. The estimate hugs the truth, even though every reading you got was wrong. From a stream of noise alone, structure emerges, online, one tick at a time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Bye bye.